What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool with Cool Kicks. I am still at the outlets at Tejon out in Arvin, California, which is kind of near Bakersfield. And yeah, I'm still here. Might as well go check out an Adidas Outlet for you guys. So yeah, let's go see what's up. Oh, by the way, yeah, don't waste your money on any of this stuff. It's a total waste of money. You're not gonna win. So yeah, don't do it. Don't do it. Adidas, let's go check them out. Let's go check out the Boost. Dude got a lot of sale tags out there. Additional 50% off. Let's see if we can find some Boost for 50% off. All right, the last few trips we haven't had any male. We didn't have any Boost for the guys, but yeah, got some Alpha Boost. All kinds of different sizes. Going for what? 130, 50% off, so 65 bucks. Got more for 65 bucks, not bad. This is on the women's side. I think these are guys. 90 bucks, man. Oh, it is. It says men's running shirt there. 90 bucks. Ultra Boost 19. That's what's up, man. I got it anywhere from 8 to 12. Not bad. Not bad. 90 bucks. 90 bucks, all white. Man, that's what's up. 9.5 to 11.5. 90 bucks, man. I haven't seen these here in a while. Man. Ultra Boost 19. More 90 bucks, man. 8.5 to 12. Ultra Boost Uncaged going for 90 bucks. Damn, they got all kinds of stuff for 90 bucks today. 90 bucks. 90 bucks, you guys. That is a steal. $90. Not bad at all, man. Y'all need to hit this place up before Christmas. Crazy BYWs, 100 bucks. Supposed to be decent ballin' shoe, right? I don't know, all Boost. They only got one size of this. Size 9, that's crazy. Size 9, that's it. 50 bucks. Their clearance section's looking more and more sad every time I go. Really don't have much. Got the crazy BYWs going for what, 45? I got PODs, which are pretty decent, but yeah, size 13s go for $40. Got some Rising Stars, 100 bucks. 50% off though, so 50 bucks total. Kind of look like marathons, but not as nice. Got some night joggers, going for 45, size 13s. Got some marathons. How much are these bad boys going for? What are these going for? Don't even have a price on them. Don't even have a price. It's a size 12. Size 12. I don't know what they're going for. Dude, that's about it, you guys. There's like nothing else in the clearance section. They do have some of the old school shoes that are pretty decent. Let's check those out. Superstars going for 40 bucks. They got all kinds of sizes too. Different colorway of this classic. Not bad. 40 bucks. Continentals going for 40 bucks. I'd rather get the superstars though. Oh wait, we got a discrepancy. Some say 80 and some say 70, man. You better get it for $35. Shit. More superstars, same price, 40 bucks. Oh wait, I was like, these are some NMDs. No, they're called Super Pacers. The bottom totally looks like an NMD with just ugly upper. Yeah, 50 bucks though. How are they trying to get 50 bucks? These were originally 180? That's insane. Samba's going for 35. These are pretty dope. The Pro Next. I think these are like their budget basketball shoes. 35 bucks. All right, we're checking out the women's section now. The outlet price 108. Now it's down to 90 bucks. 90 bucks. This one doesn't have a 50% tag, so it's go for regular price. It's a Game of Thrones one. 180. 90 bucks for these. Ultra Boost 19. 90 for these as well, not bad. Soul Cord Boost. These go for 55 bucks, man. Dang. Full length Boost. Kind of ugly though. 30 bucks for the old schools. They have these in guys too. They're called the Grand Court. I just call them the Adidas old schools. Got that old school vibe to it. Yeah, 35 bucks. 30 bucks. More old schools. These are called the Advantage. 60 bucks. What do you guys think about this colorway? 40 bucks though, man. 40 bucks. The PODs. I wanted these because look at that boost in the back. Thick thing of boost, but there's nothing in the front. Just all rubber in the front, so yeah, I didn't end up. Dude got the, what are these, man? The 5923s. They also look like the Marathons and the Nikes, man. They all look the same. But yeah, these are going for 55. 55, not bad. In the women's section, these are dope. The Pure Boost Goes, man. They call them the Falcons? No, these are the Pure Boost Goes, man. What the hell? Confusing me. Pure Boost Goes. They have them in multiple sizes. $90, 50% off, so $45. Those are one of the most comfortable shoes I have. I have like 3 of them, I think. 3 or 4, I don't remember. These Aero Tiempos. They got full-length boots. These are supposed to be some really good running shoes, but no price on them. And the workers here don't have price scanners. What's up with that, man? That seems kind of like amateur hour or something. These are the Falcon W's. Oh man, those are. Oh, let's run back. Solar Glides, 10, man, those are huge. Solar Glides, okay, let's look at these. Solar Glides, $80, size 7.5. Not bad. And we can't forget about the Superstars with the pineapples on them. So random. Yeah, $30. All right, I have 30 minutes left. And, I have 30 minutes until the outlet closes, and I've stopped by a couple stores, so I'm gonna get a price check on this. If it's under 40, I'll get it. If not, I've bought a bunch of these for under $40, so it's not like it's unbelievable or anything. Their apparel section's always been really good. They got fleece sweatshirts for $25. More colorways, and even more colorways, $25. So that's pretty much about it, you guys. That's the Adidas Outlet, but those shoes ended up coming out to $29.99, you guys. $29.99 for the Marathons. Full-length boost. I think that's kind of how I ended up with like 10. I think I bought like 10 different Adidas this year. Because like I just walk in there and they just have crazy deals, like $33 or $33 after tax for full-length boots. That's just crazy. But yeah, if you guys like this video, oh wait. We're gonna try to stop by an Adidas. We're gonna try to stop by Puma. And if I can't stop by Puma, go ahead, make sure you guys like this video. And make sure you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you're brand new to my channel. And make sure you guys press that. Make sure you click yes on that notification as well. And yeah, thanks for watching, you guys. Peace. Dang, Christmas is just right around the corner, you guys. Right around the corner, man. You guys messing up my Adidas video by putting Nike all up in there, fools. Thanks for watching. Have to buy stuff for my workers, man. I could be buying so many sneakers with this. Have to be giving though, have to be giving.